we can have bath together with grandma. I think other friend is already started. Sis Nida. Si Shally, nag-start na ba Sis Nida? Ng live streaming niya? Si Shally. Ay, si Kusina, nag-start na rin si Sis Mercy. Sis Mercy, hello. Hi, sis. Shouty. Good day. Good day to you. Harang. Wala ba akong harang? Si Shally, can you tell me, is there any harang? Did you see any harang? Because hindi ako naglagay. Dahil nakalagay doon, it is written there, it is the whitey to put the proper mid-roll advertising. So I just click that. Instead of I will click the one that is supposed to be every 6 minutes, I didn't do that. I tried this day. I tried this time. See if there's any harang. Did you see any harang? Did you see any mid-roll in my live streaming while you came or not? I think I should be fine. 2 hours and 11 minutes. I should be okay. Para naman makapunta tayo sa iba, we can go to other friends that are having their live streaming. May Army. Yeah, hindi pa naiintindihan ni ano yun, ni Wizard yun. Si Shally, nakalive na rin si Kusina Mercy TV from Jordan. Mercy Kusina TV Jordan. He's also having live streaming right now. Ano yan? I'm gonna say love you all with the love of the Lord. Thank you so much. Hindi ko pa nailista si Manang MJ. Manang MJ, May Army. Manang MJ. Simply my loves. Jen Mix is already written. Si Shally is done. Anyone I miss? Did I miss anyone? Sis Jenny, I've been written your name. Al is the first one. My best. The best friend. And anyone or sis? Sis Gisela Maga, thank you so much. Joshua Gaila Villegas. Joshua Gaila Villegas. Okay. Reynas. Si Reynas di ko na isulat. Reynas Vlog. Puntahan ko ta Reynas Vlog bago ako mag-end. Where is Reynas Vlog? Let me see. Wala na siya. Reynas Vlog and Ains channel. Ains TV channel. Alright, I'm gonna say I love you all with the love of the Lord. Hindi pa pala ako nag-highlights. Let me do my highlights first.